Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup with Canva team design assets using shared folders, detailed guide step by step clearly.
Open your Canva account and log in.
Navigate to the home page where your projects are displayed.
On the left sidebar, locate the Folders section.
Click on Folders to expand the options. Select the Shared with Me folder or any other folder you wish to use.
Click on the three dots next to the folder name. From the drop-down menu, choose Copy to.
Select the destination where you want to back up your design assets.
Confirm the action by clicking Copy.
Now, go to the destination folder you just selected.
Verify that all design assets have been successfully copied. For additional organization, create a new folder if necessary.
To do this, click on the Create a Folder button.
Name the new folder appropriately. Drag and drop assets from the Shared with Me folder to the new folder.
Alternatively, use the three dots menu again to move files. This helps keep your designs systematically organized. To ensure everything is backed up, regularly review your folders. Check for any new design assets that require copying. Encourage your team to maintain updated designs within shared folders.
This promotes collaboration and keeps everyone on the same page.
Make it a habit to perform regular backups to avoid data loss.
Utilize Canva's built-in features for efficient asset management.
Familiarize yourself with the different folder permissions for team members. This ensures that everyone has appropriate access to needed assets. Using shared folders effectively enhances your design workflow. Regular backups provide peace of mind when working on collaborative projects. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage and back up your Canva design assets. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.